Hello students, welcome to Lucky Learning. Here in this video, I am going to discuss the objective questions for the subject Computer Organization and Architecture, and these objective questions are helpful for your second midterm examination. The first question: in serial asynchronous transmission, each character contains what character bits, start bits, and stop bits. It means option D. The CPU initiates the data transfer and continues with program execution in direct memory access. When CPU is executing a program that is part of operating system, then it is in supervisor mode, or we can call system mode. In Dash IO organization, same address space is used for both memory and IO. That is called memory mapped IO. Which of these sign magnitude notation is used in dividing integers? We use restoring method. Sixth question. Dash is used to activate the peripheral and to inform it what to do. It is by using the control command. The technique allows DMA controller to transfer one data word at a time, after which it must return control of the buses to the CPU. If it transfers only one data word at a time, it is called cycle stealing. If a group of words or block of words, if it transfers, it is called burst transfer. Because here one data word at a time, we call it is cycle stealing. A bus that connect major components in multiprocessor system is called system bus. In dash transmission, two units share a common clock frequency. In synchronous, if different clock frequency, we call it is asynchronous. The computer combines the interface logic with DMA into one unit is called IO processor. The CPU activates dash signal output to inform the external DMA that the buses are in high impedance state by issuing bus grant signal. UART stands for Universal Asynchronous Receiver and Transmitter. Input-output devices connected to the computer are called peripherals, or we also call IO devices. The rate at which serial information is transmitted and is equivalent to the data transfer in bits per second is called baud rate. Booth's multiplication algorithm specifies a procedure for multiplying two binary integers in signed 2's complement method. The advantage of biased exponent is that exponent is represented as positive. If some exponent is in negative, if some exponent is in positive, to make all exponents be in positive, we use biased exponent. A floating point number is said to be dash if most significant bit is non-zero digit. When I can say it is most significant bit is non-zero, we can say it is normalized. In the hardware for signed magnitude addition and subtraction, two magnitudes are subtracted. If the signs are different for addition operation, suppose we are performing addition operation, if one sign is positive, another sign is negative, then what we have to do? We have to perform a subtraction. If both the signs are same and we are performing addition, we have to perform addition operation. So the point here is, in the hardware for signed magnitude addition and subtraction, two magnitudes are subtracted if the signs are different for which operation? Addition operation. We are performing addition but performing subtraction. Are identical for which operation? Subtract operation. In asynchronous data transfer, both sender and receiver accompany a control signal. We call handshaking method. If not accompanying, we call strobe pulse method. A dash is a system that establishes a priority over the various sources to determine which condition is to be serviced first. When two or more requests arise simultaneously, it is going to be decided by priority interrupt. A floating point number in computer register consists of two parts called mantissa and exponent. The reference to memory at any given interval of time tend to be continued within a few localized areas in memory. This phenomena is known as the property of locality of reference. A memory unit accessed by its content is called content addressable memory. It is also called associative memory. The transformation of data from main memory to cache memory is referred to as mapping process. Means what data in main memory is mapped to data in the cache memory is called mapping process. A very fast and small memory is called cache. The performance of a cache memory is frequently measured in terms of hit ratio. Feature of fetching the next instruction while the current instruction is executing is called pipelining. If the cache access time is 100 nanoseconds, memory access time is 1000 nanoseconds, and the percentage is the hit percentage. Hit percentage is 100%, means every time it is hit. What is the average access time? Because every time it is heated, it is the average access time is access time of cache, that is 100. The memory unit that communicates directly with the CPU is called main memory. So CPU can communicate directly only with the device that provide backup storage are called auxiliary memory, like magnetic disk and magnetic. The speed up in a pipeline over non-pipeline is given by n into Tn. It is meaning that without pipeline, how many cycles is needed? N into Tn without pipeline by with pipeline. That is k plus n minus 1 into Tp. Will give you the speed up in pipeline over the non-pipeline. Artificial intelligence and expert system is an application areas where vector processing is almost important. What is MIMD? Multiple instruction, multiple data stream. Instruction pipeline has three difficulties called resource conflicts, data dependencies, and branch difficulties. Mean all. In magnetic disks and tapes, the access time is calculated as seek time plus transfer time. Means seeking the disk to the correct position is called seek time, and after seek to the correct position, it has to transfer data from that particular location. It's called transfer time. Bootstrap loader is stored in where RAM part of the main memory. A measure used to evaluate computers in their ability to perform a given number of floating point operations per second is referred to as flops. This is called floating point operations per second. In dash mechanism, both cache and main memory are updated. Is called write through cache. Means every time CPU performs an update, that update is affected to cache and to the main memory is called write through. In dash mechanism, only cache is updated and the location is marked so that it can be copied later into main memory. It is called write back. Dash is a technique that is used to provide simultaneous data processing tasks for the purpose of increasing the computational speed. of computer is called parallel processing. What does RISC stands for? Reduced instruction set computer is RISC. These are the important mid questions for your second midterm examinations of COA. Hope these midterm bits are helpful for your midterm examination. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, do like, share and subscribe and click the bell icon for the regular updates. Thank you.